I had lunch today at Newark Symphony Hall, located in Newark, New Jersey. Lunch was delicious. I also had the opportunity to tour, and of course, I said yes. I mean, duh. So we walked around and we got some history about Newark Symphony Hall, and I got the chance to learn about the renovations that they're undergoing, saw some images of what those renovations are going to look like. So I'm really excited to see the renovations and come back to visit again. To enjoy that space once more. So definitely check out Newark Symphony Hall. They also have requests for proposals that are posted on their website. Yes, RFPs, Newark Symphony Hall. I also learned about a black box. I've never heard of a black box room before, and I had a chance to walk into it and to learn more about it and to see it. So if you're in the city, definitely check out some of the upcoming events at Newark Symphony Hall. The tour is great. Thank you.
So we're really excited about that. We have not had that ever. So this is really exciting because one of the biggest things that turns clients away is the fact that we didn't have anything in space. So now that we have something in space, it gives us a huge opportunity to bring some more activity into the building. So we're definitely excited about that. But yes, as far as the concert hall goes, we have a beautiful 1,000-bulb chandelier that takes about 3 days to bring down, bring up. There's over 1,000 bulbs in there that have to get replaced.
Say it again, Ebony.
This is the Black Box Theater, also known as the North Stage. It's probably one of the largest black box theaters you've seen. We do all types of events in here. We've even filmed a few shows in here. Wu-Tang actually did a scene in here as well. We do a lot of artist workshops in this space. We actually have graduation in here on Friday. We do practically anything that you can imagine within. I'm sure if anyone's familiar with Wu-Tang on Hulu, but one of the episodes was shot right here in this space, in that corner actually. And when I saw the episode, I forgot that they filmed it in here, so I was just freaking out, like, why are they in my dance studio? And I didn't realize that I was the one who made that happen. That was really fun. That was really cool to do. And then what also happened in this space that I thought was really exciting, my first week here, we hosted the MTV VMA Awards. Missy Elliott, J Balvin, Normani, and a few other people rehearsed in here. So that was like incredible, because it was literally my first week. So people were like, where is this, where is that? And I'm like, I just started. I first actually started working here. Her name is Cicely. She was the teaching artist here, and we had summer classes in the dance studio. It was amazing. And then we had the kids eating breakfast and lunch in the what I like to call the photography studio. Hopefully it becomes that one day. I'm not sure. We might do other things. But yeah, this space means a lot to me because I spent a lot of time up here when I first started working here over the summer. We had a lot of food insecurity programs, so we gave food to the homeless. It was just a really amazing experience. I have different phases of my times here that I was really grateful for, so if I get into a little story, don't mind me.
Which I all am excited for you guys to see, is the new branding, the new logo, our approach, the marquee. All of those things are more externally focused, but rooted in who and where we are. So I think it's an exciting time. I think what we need to do as a community in general.
Sitting in there and watch the show, thinking about it. And I'm like, why did they? Yeah. That's really where we need a lot of the work to be done. In this space, it's just taking a lot of wear and tear, you know. And I like to say that this space is being restored, not renovated. Because it's a historic hall, we can't really renovate it. So I don't want to give people the wrong idea that it's going to be a completely different space. It is going to